One day, what happened? The nuts vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. This was a signal for the astrologer to bundle up too, since it left him in a darkness except for a little shaft of a green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. First of all, let us see the new word. Here, blew out means switch off, flare means flame, strayed in means here wandered away, paraphernalia, a large number of small articles used in particular activity, shaft, tube, and here blotted out means here hidden, careworn, worried people, worried, grumbled, complained, vaguely, unclearly, pressed, forced, or urged, whereupon, after, thrust means push something rapidly, tilting means learning. Okay, so here one day the nut vendor blew out means yes, switch off his shop's flare and he went to home. This was a signal for the astrologer also to wind up bundle up too, because since it left him in the darkness except for a little shaft of green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. So he was getting light, enough light for his business from the shop of the vendor, but here the shop vendor had closed the shop, and because of that he did not get enough light for his business. Addition to that, he was also getting light from somewhere which was a little shaft of green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. It was not sufficient for running the business, so that he bundled up his shop or all the things. He picked up his cowrie shells and paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means all the small articles, number of small articles used in the particular activity in astrology. So he collected paraphernalias and was putting them back into his bag. That time he saw the green shaft of light was blotted out, and a person came and stood in between the green shaft of light and the astrologer. And because of that, the shaft of light, that green shaft of light, was hidden, was blocked out, blotted out. He looked up and saw a man standing before him. He sensed a possible client and said, and he looked up and he saw that a man standing before him. He felt at first that he, he would be a client of the astrologer. You look so careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me. And he said, as usual, you look so careworn. Careworn means what? Worried. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me. The other grumbled some reply vaguely, and the person grumbled, complained some replies unclearly. The astrologer pressed his invitation. So astrologer did not take his invitation, did not reply. Whereupon the other person thrust his palm under his nose. Though he was not attending, though the astrologer was not attending the other person, after that the other person thrust means push his hand forcefully under the astrologer's nose, saying, you call yourself an astrologer? The astrologer felt challenged and said, tilting the other's palm towards the green shaft of light, yours is the nature. And the person said that, you call yourself an astrologer? After listening the question, the astrologer felt the person was raising fingers towards me, so he felt challenged and said, tilting means leaning the other's palm towards the green shaft of light. Means here, in the dim light, I am not able to learn your palm. If you are feeling that I will do that like this, so yours is the nature but not mine. मी त्यातला नाही आहे. तुझं हे नेचर असेल की लोकांना खोटं खोटं सांगायचं, पण माझं हे नेचर नाही आहे. मला चांगल्या लाईट, मला सफिशियंट लाईटमध्ये मी तुझा हात बघू शकेन, पण आता ती लाईट नाही आहे. Oh, stop that. The other person did not listen and said that, oh, stop that. Tell me something worthwhile. After listening all the sentences of the other person, the astrologer said, our friend felt piqued. Piqued means here irritated. So he said that our friend felt piqued, irritated. And he further said, I charge only 3 paise per question. One day, what happened? The nuts vendor blew out his. The astrologer said that I charged only 3 paise per question, and what you get ought to be good enough for your money. And the astrologer said he would take 3 paise per question, and he also said that he would get appropriate answer till he had enough money. At this, the other withdrew his arm. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर म्हणाला की मी एका प्रश्नाचे 3 पैसे घेईन, आणि जसे जसे तू पैसे मला देशील तसे तसे तुला आन्सर्स मिळत जाणार. ॲट दिस द अदर withdrew his arm, and the other person became angry and withdrew his arm, took out an anna and flung it out to him. आणि त्यानं तो आना खिशातून काढला आणि त्याच्याकडे फेकला, saying, I have some questions to ask. If I prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. तो माणूस मला, जर मला असं लक्षात आलं की तू मला फसवतोयस, ब्लफिंग मीन्स यू आर लाईंग. सो if the person proves the astrologer is bluffing, so the astrologer must return that annas to other person with interest. On it, the astrologer said, if you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? The other person said, no. On it, the astrologer said, or will you give me 8 annas? The other person said, all right, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong. So all right, he agreed on it, and he further said that he put a condition in front of the astrologer. If you give me twice, if the astrologer became unsuccessful to give the answers of the question of the other person, so the astrologer would give twice money to the other person. म्हणजे जर ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर एखादं ॲन्सर दुसऱ्या तो जो माणूस होता त्याचा जर ॲन्सर द्यायला ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर चुकला, तर ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरनी त्याला दुप्पट रक्कम ही त्या दुसऱ्या माणसाला द्यायची. दिस पॅक्ट वॉज ॲक्सेप्टेड. पॅक्ट मीन्स अ डील. दिस डील वॉज ॲक्सेप्टेड आफ्टर अ लिटल फर्दर आर्ग्युमेंट. काही आर्ग्युमेंट तिथे झाली आणि ही एक डील दोघांच्याकडून ॲक्सेप्ट करण्यात आली. थँक्यू.